Hey guys, welcome back to DELISH. I'm glad you're able to join me again. Today I'll be doing some chicken soup, but I'll be doing it in my version. I will be doing it with fried chicken. I'm gonna fry the chicken first, then I'm gonna remove it, put some bacon in there. After I'm done with the bacon, take the bacon fat out, then a little bit of the bacon fat, not all of the fat. But then after we have done that, then we're gonna add the vegetables, add in the chicken. Then after that, at the very end, I will be doing a cornbread muffin for you guys. So if you guys like those type of videos, and this is definitely a spot where you want to be. My cutting, let's get off my two ends, off my potatoes, in order so that I am able to go ahead and peeling, start cutting. Just keep on peeling your potatoes, then we're gonna dice them up. Now that you've peeled, just dice up your potatoes really big because it's gonna take a long time for these to boil. So once we have cut these up, dice them up pretty small. Like I said, they don't have to be that small. Finish by dicing up those carrots. Let's go ahead and put in our salt. Put in your salts. All those that we have there. We have salt, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic pepper, paprika, chili powder. Red pepper flakes can be hot, but it's really good and really tasty. So let's just work that all in there. Get all those flavors all around there. All right, our stove is on. Let's go ahead and add in our bacon so we can start to render some bacon fat. All right, let's take out our bacon. Get bacon out of there. That's pretty good. That's where we want to be. Let's add our chicken. We take out the chicken and look at that. Add in all of our vegetables. And then work themselves into that butter just a little bit. For less than a minute, about 30 seconds. Work themselves into that butter and that bacon. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and all of the other flavors or seasonings that we have. I'll put all this down in the description. This smells really good. So it's kind of like a mini stir fry. That was chili pepper. So I'm going to cook this up. We need about 6 cups of water in here. Just keep on, let's stir all that around. Now it's not to become a soup. It was like a stir fry. Now it's going to become a soup. Now that we put all that in there. Remember, we want that water to be about that high. When we put that chicken in here, we want that chicken. Put all those in there right now. Let all of this cook down into a soup. Add in a whole can of corn. And let's let that cook for 20 minutes. And while we're letting this cook, let's go ahead and pour in half of the milk. So let's put in our shift pack. Got a little clumps in there, but it's okay. So let's go and crack our egg. That's one. And I can whisk this by hand, but I'm not. I'm going to use a machine because I'm put a little bit more on that one. I don't want to be that short. So these are going to rise pretty well, I believe. I'm sure. I've done it before. Give them a bit even. Our oven is preheated, so let's go ahead and load in our cornbread muffins. We'll leave those in there. All right, let's dish it up. Soup looks great. Grab some of that. Grab your bowl. Put it right in the bowl. Chicken is coming right off the bone. Yeah, looking really tasty. Let's give it a try. Try some of those potatoes. Good. Chicken. Now cornbread. That's good. Don't forget to check out the next video right up there, and I'll check you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.